I'm all set up here to do a live cooking demo here very soon for a cooking show in Oregon. And I need to make a display plate. So I thought you guys could make it along with me. Asparagus and tomato panzanella. And instead of making it on the outdoor griddle, we are gonna make it on the E-Series Blackstone inside. We are gonna start with a balsamic vinaigrette that I made, but you could use a store-bought also. Add some mushrooms. You still get that sizzle inside. I love it. Some asparagus that I've chopped into about 1 or 2 pieces, and some grape tomatoes. Have my kosher salt and pepper ready to go. We're just gonna mix this and cook it for just about 8 to 10 minutes. And panzanella is just a fancy word for an Italian salad that has cubed up bread. This is one of the vegetarian recipes in my new Blackstone Griddle cookbook. I think I would serve this with a side of steak to make my husband and son happy. I cooked some Texas toast on the Blackstone Griddle and cubed it up so it's ready to go. I also made for the cooking segment the cookies and cream cakes that are also in my cookbook in the dessert section. Because yes, you can make cake on a griddle. These are finished. We are going to use the spatulas to transfer them to the bowl with the bread. And a little more of that balsamic vinaigrette. And just toss it with some tongs. So I'm going to transfer this to my display plate for my cooking segment. That is going to be in about 10 minutes. Top it with some crumbled goat cheese.